Hi, and welcome back. Sorry I've not been making any videos, but we've had winter, and I live in the north, so the weather's not been conducive to playing with or detailing cars, so we finally got a break in the weather, so I get to finally play with the Autofiber Mitt on a stick I got for Christmas. So it's a reach tool, but it's angled. One of my friends that's into detailing told me about him, and I saw him at the Southern Detailers Conference, but I didn't buy one right then. I got one for Christmas. So this would be the pad with the noodles for washing, super soft, like some Autofiber's wash mitts, the same material. Then I also got a Dreadnought drying towel attachment for the mitt on the stick. That way, when you're doing your tight spaces, you can slip that on there and work on drying off the roof. So we've got my wife's 2017 Jeep Wrangler, and we had a very cold, very snowy, salty week last week, so it's got a lot of salt on it. So I was going to do a little winter washing on it, but I want to try out I've not had opportunity to use the mitt on a stick since I got it, so I wanted to try it out and let you guys see it for the first time. There's not a lot huge online about it. I've only seen a couple videos outside the manufacturer, so I thought I'd try and show it to people and see if it's as neat as what it sounds. Okay, so we're gonna put the mitt on the stick into our bucket. It's got some Wolfgang Uber rinseless, which has been out for a while. Great product. I've probably used 4 or 5 bottles of this stuff, so if I've used that many bottles, it must be good, because as you can't tell by my videos, I like to try different products out. So it makes me a little fickle sometimes, but yeah, I think I've had about 4 bottles. I usually get it when it's on sale because it is a little pricey compared to some of the other ones. So this thing does seem to trap a lot of the water, so I've been trying to dry it out and bring it down the bucket some. So here we go, and it's at an angle, and we've got that Sunrider soft top in the front, so there's not a whole lot to that. I can tell already this is pretty nice, not having to reach all the way across. You can tell, but the handle has a curve to it, that way you can do the contour of a roof easier. So we'll do this half of the roof. Back in the bucket. And why they have the noodles on the back half of the cover on it, I don't know. I don't think we're going to be using that. I guess you could. It strikes me as a little odd. So, and just for checking it out here, we're going to reach across and do the windshield wipers. And I have pre-treated the hood with the Wolfgang Uber spraying it on. So, and generally this hood is not so tall I can't reach to the middle, unlike my Ram truck, where this center section right here on the truck, I have to sometimes get up into the door and reach over to do things on the center section, because it's a reach. And I'm 6'1", so I'm no shorty, but that spot's hard to do on trucks. But this glides just like a wash mitt would. I mean, it is a mitt on a stick, and I've got an Autofiber wash mitt over there somewhere amongst my collection of mitts. But nice, easy to use product. We'll follow up with checking the drying attachment out and see how that does. So stay tuned. All right, so now we have the Dreadnought drying towel attachment on, and you pop the handle off, or pop the end of the mitt on the stick off, and you slide the Dreadnought on top there, and it snaps on.